Hi, did you get an Uber?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good.
Good, what's the name?
Allie.
Allie. How are you?
Good, thank you for picking me up.
No problem, it's such a crowded airport.
Yup, they lost my bag.
Who did?
Welling Airlines, I'm coming back with nothing from Europe. So.
You just flew from Europe?
Yup.
Oh wow, that's so cool, I've never been.
Yeah.
Yeah, well
it was cool until they lost my bag, so.
Ah, that sucks.
Yeah, I mean, it is what it is. At least I'm just like a free bird now. Can finally spread my wings.
Well, do you need to get your bag, or what are you gonna do?
I mean, we don't know where it is. Could take weeks. I could never get it back.
Oh my gosh.
We don't know, yeah.
That's great, so what are you gonna do?
I mean, I'm kind of going home to like nothing, because I packed everything I had in that bag.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Dang, I'm so sorry to hear about that.
There's kind of like no point to even go home if we're gonna be honest.
Yeah?
Yeah, I mean.
So where do you want to go?
I was thinking maybe we could just hang out.
What do you mean?
Do you have to keep driving right now, or?
Like, you want to hang out with me?
Do you live in the area?
I do. Yeah.
I mean, I could be down, like.
Down for. Wait, what?
Down to chill. Are you
with
chill
me?
like
Are you talking about with me?
Yeah.
Well, I gotta work. I'm doing Uber.
I mean, maybe I could come with you. We could like pick up some passengers together if like you.
No, I can't do that because I have to be by myself. It's like Uber's law.
Oh, really? That's a thing?
Yeah, and also like I need to make money because my like I got a Cheeto addiction. So I have like a bunch of Cheeto bags that I have to pay for. But like I have to drive like all day. But I mean, it sounds fun. It's honestly, you're kind of tempting me.
I mean, don't tempt me with a good time. You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
me personally, I would put the Cheetos aside and come hang out with the new friend. You know?
I mean, we did
Adventure is out there.
I did just get the pool like built. Like, I don't know if you want to go swimming.
You have a pool?
Yeah, it's kind of hot out. But you don't have a bathing suit.
I guess we'll do skinny dipping.
What?
Are you not down? Have you never done that before?
No. Are you serious?
Is that not like on your bucket list at least?
It is on my bucket list, but I never had anybody to do it with.
I mean, let's do it. YOLO.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is like dream come true. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? No. I have goosebumps. I have goose pimples. Wait, can you pinch me? Because I feel like I'm dreaming. Oh! Oh my gosh, that hurt.
Did it wake you up?
I don't know. I don't know. Because can you feel pain in dreams?
I don't know. But I know I can feel the water on my skin soon in that pool. So I'm excited.
I'm so nervous.
Are you going to chicken out?
No. I'm going to do the 3-2-1 method.
What is that?
You think about what you want to do and you just say 3-2-1, you do it.
Okay.
All right, so let's go.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do it.
I just got to ask you one thing.
What?
Can you put your seatbelt on? Safety first.
Yes.